Nestled low among the myrtle and tea trees, overlooking the serene Portsea Lagoon and Wildlife Reserve, sits the First Lessons House, a structure carefully designed by Ray Dinh Architecture to be a tranquil counterpoint to its owner's bustling urban existence. The brief was ambitious yet simple, to create a house that was inherently social and deeply responsive to the unique beauty and pace of its coastal context. Completed in 2017, this house is a testament to getting the fundamentals right, a deliberate attempt to prioritize the owner's daily habits and a seamless connection to the outdoors. The L-shaped design is a masterclass in passive design, ingeniously sited to capture the northern sun, utilize tree canopy shade, respect existing contours, and frame those precious lagoon views. Its low-slung profile and considered placement allow the home to almost disappear into the landscape, meeting the challenging mandate of retaining the native bush character while maximizing the connection to the garden the owners so desired. The architecture beautifully balances budget and aesthetics, utilizing simple, cost-effective materials like standard timber framing and corrugated cladding for the roof and rear, allowing the focus and funds to be directed toward the pivotal northern elevation. Here, materials like charred blackbutt, concrete, and corrugated iron offer a soft, earthy palette that shifts with the natural light. This dedication to connection is embodied in the large sliding doors that vanish into walls, dissolving the barrier between indoors and the garden. This feature ensures an uninterrupted view and allows the living spaces to perpetually spill outside, or, on a rainy day, to let the house breathe while the familiar, comforting sound of rain on a tin roof echoes through. High windows with charred timber battens filter the sunlight and highlight views to the treetops, while the purposefully basic east-facing bedrooms offer a simple bed, robe, and a morning view of the garden. The home's ultimate purpose, however, is realized in its social heart, a 5-bedroom design already proven as the ideal setting for major family events, from Christmas dinners to a 45-person New Year's celebration on the deck. The First Lessons House is not just shelter, it's a generous, central meeting point, a place for celebration, retreat, and the joyful sharing of a slower, more beautiful life.